This is both the lead Harley Davidson radio. It's a plug and play. No wiring need to be cut. It just plug in. This is Harley Davidson. Customer said radio doesn't work. Radio actually do come on, but no sound. So we checked that speakers. There's two plugs. One big one. The other one is a little one. The little one has 23 pin plug. The other one is 38, I believe. 35. So there are two main plugs at the radio. The radio speaker wires are on the left front. There's a white with orange wire, green white, which is, I'm going to show you online what's what. This 17, 16 and 17 of the small plug. That's the speaker wires. And we check the power, we check the ground, we check the ignition, they're all good. To take this out, you gotta take 4 of these torque number 40 from the side, which goes on the side, which goes right here. So you take these 2 on each side, those are torque number 40. Actually 1 and 2 on the other side. Then we have these torque number 27. That's on the top, which is the silver trim here. So you're going to take those 3 torque 27 off. So this is the bottom where the silver trim was. That has to be removed. And this goes over, which goes on the top. So you're going to have to remove that or loosen up. This doesn't have to come out, but it's probably easier to remove. So that's actually held on with, along with that face headlight thing here. So once you remove this, and over here on the side, loosen that off while remove both sides. Then remove these 3, and you should be able to remove the entire face plate. Of course, you have to disconnect this H4 headlight bulb that just simply unplugs. Now, to get to this radio, there are Allen keys right here at my fingertip. There's another one, I believe, in the back. So you're gonna have to take 2 on each side. This is both the lead Harley Davidson radio. It's a plug and play. No wiring need to be cut. It just plug in.